Hello everyone, welcome to this demo of my book recommended system, a project I built using Python and Flask. I have built this project using Python for the backend and Flask to create the user interface. It is designed to help users discover books they love based on their preferences and popular trends. Datasets that I used in this project are downloaded from Kaggle datasets. 3 datasets about books, users, and ratings are used to build this recommended system. So this is how the data actually looks. An exploratory data analysis is performed to analyze and summarize the data sets. Let's talk a bit about how this system works under the hood. The system uses two types of recommendation techniques. Popularity-based recommendation system. It suggests books that are widely liked by a majority of users. For this, I used a dataset with book rankings and rated the books based on their average ratings and number of reviews. Collaborative filtering based recommendation system is another recommendation system that is used in this project. I implemented a user item similarity matrix using techniques like cosine similarity. It suggests books by analyzing the preferences of users with similar tastes. This matrix helps the system and users find the similar reading patterns and recommend the book accordingly. So it contains all the users on the x-axis and all the books on the y-axis. This is considered like a plane and each ranking is considered like a vector. So a Euclidean distance is calculated and similarity scores are further calculated based on which the top 5 books are recommended. Flask acts as the bridge connecting the recommendation logic with the user interface. Let me take you to the user interface. It is a simple yet user-friendly interface built using HTML and Bootstrap. This is how popularity-based recommendation works. Here are the top 50 books from the huge dataset based on the user ratings. However, these recommendations are not user-specific and are generic. This does not consider users' personal taste or preferences. The recommend page in this project allows users to input a book title and receive a list of similar books as recommendations. When I click on submit, the top 5 books related to Harry Potter are displayed here. Let me check with another book now. When I click on submit for 1984, here are the top 5 recommendations by the people who read 1984. This means that people who read 1984 might like these books. Let's cross verify if this actually is true. When I click on submit for Animal Farm, which is recommended by 1984, I also get 1984 back again. This means people who liked 1984 might like Animal Farm and vice versa. Rapid Fuzz library is used to perform fuzzy logic on the user's input against the book titles in the dataset. Similarity scores are used to find the top 5 most similar books. Details of the recommended books like the book title and the book author are displayed on the page. However, this project relies only on the provided dataset and cannot assure accurate recommendation for books outside the dataset. And that's my book recommended system. It combines the power of data-driven recommendations with an easy-to-use interface. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Thank you for watching.